make it the top. Okay, perfect. Hello guys, we're live here in the group. With me is Brand Overflow founder, CEO, president, the guy behind it, the coder, the programmer, right? And Brand Overflow. And we have very, very interesting evening ahead for you guys in the next 1 hour. Join us here. Let's talk about lifetime deals and see how we can have as many of you guys as possible taking advantage of this. So let me see here. Oh, I'm pretty sure we're live here in the group. Excellent. Hey, bro, somebody's sending me a message. So excellent. Yes, guys. So if you guys can hear the voice, and I want to make sure that they can hear your voice as well. Say hi to everybody.
Hey, everybody.
Yes. Let's make this crazy. Yo, Alston is there. Good. Excellent. I can see already 5 people.
Hi, Alston.
Yeah, welcome. We will be live in the next few minutes. Video and audio is good. Excellent. That's good. Good to hear that. And you will have some good surprises for you guys. Give you guys a few minutes to join. We're coming ahead of time a little bit. But yeah, where is everyone joining from? Waiting to hear the good news that I've been waiting for. That's good.
It's right here, man.
It's
here now.
It's coming, guys. It's coming. So the deal is live, and I'm going to add this as a comment maybe on the section on the system. The deal is live at the same exact page as last time. Brand Overflow page. Nobody has. Yep. brandoverflow.com/deals/digital think. And as always, the coupon for 20% is active, and the deal will expire in 4 days. So if you actually go on the website, you should be able to see this information, all of that information there. So I actually put this as a comment. And so let's get started, guys. I know it's gonna take a minute or two. Things going. So yeah, it's gonna be a busy night. We're gonna have a lot of live things going on. So let's get started a little bit before we start showing the. So what's new since you've been away for 4 weeks, probably more than 4 weeks now, and then you're back.
Yeah.
To finish the deal. I know we got interrupted by the PayPal and all the problems we faced, but hopefully now we're back and ready to finish the launch, right?
Yeah, definitely. Last time we had so many problems with PayPal and the payments and double charges, and quite a few things went wrong. And so many people missed out on it. And I have been on chat and email telling people that I'm really sorry about it and that we will be back. We took this time to, first of all, go with PayPal. Right. So that now you can use PayPal and credit card. And this works for both installments or one payment. So you have all your favorite payment options now.
Excellent.
That's number one.
So now you can use PayPal, credit card, as long as, and we're using Paddle, right, for the payments this time around?
Yep.
Paddle.
Yep.
Excellent. And there is still the split payments are still working fine, right?
Yep.
And
yep.
So the digital thing coupon is still active. Nothing has changed in terms of the pricing, but I'm sure in terms of the value, everything has changed. Everything is going crazy.
Yes.
Okay. So tell me, what has been added? What's new?
The first thing that everybody I think is waiting for is the big surprise.
Right.
Let's get into it.
Okay. Do you want to share the screen?
Yeah, share the screen.
Okay, let's go. So you probably will not see our face, but let's see. There we go. Okay.
All right, guys. So when you log in, into your app, this is live right now. So when you go into your app right now and refresh, you will see a new option at the bottom that says SEO Audit. We wanted to give you guys a perfect and complete on-page and off-page tool that can properly analyze your page and tell you what to do. So for example, I want to rank my website, Brand Overflow. I want to rank for SEO tool in the United States. You click audit, and just like that, it's gonna get all my competitors. Here it says, I'm ranked 101. That means I'm not ranked on this keyword in the United States. This audit report will help you rank between 1 and 50. So this is a very good rank to go for while you are unranked specifically. This will also tell me where my competitors are and where I am. Obviously, if I have too much keyword density, so it kind of becomes like spam. These are like small rules that we are going to tweak. The suggested range is between 0.146, and I'm way ahead in keyword density. There are also things that I need to improve on, like my title doesn't have enough keyword density, my meta is fine, my p tag is fine. But basically, this is going to tell me what elements I need to put into my page to get a better chance at ranking it. As you can see, you can compare yourself to your competitors in any way possible, whether it's the title, the p tags, the meta, anything. You will always be able to compare your website to your competitors. So you can see I'm here 101. This is rank 50, rank 25, rank 10, and rank 1. You can see how it kind of progresses towards the top of it. I'm fine over here, but there are several other things that are shown in the errors that I need to fix. This is the core part of the SEO audit. The first part is always the content that you have written on your page. The image alts are not there. The suggested range is, we calculate this by looking at your competitor's page. So if they have between 8 and 13 alt tags in their image tags, that is what you should go for, the average. The average here is 10. And if you click show detail, you can see everybody has alt text in their image tags. This is going to help you become a much better marketer and SEO overall. These are kind of things that we follow as well. So this kind of makes our job a lot easier. Keyword frequency, how many times a keyword? Now, density and frequency are different. We calculate them in a different way. Frequency is just basically how many times the keyword that you're trying to rank for shows up in the page. And density is basically the frequency divided by the word count. Now, after the frequency, this tool is going to help you understand the metrics that Google uses to kind of evaluate your page. And after you are done on all of these, frequency and density, we go over to the heading elements. In heading elements, you can see the H1s, H2s, H3s, how many you're using versus how many your competition is using. For example, look at this H3 right here. I'm using only 17, while the #1 guy, Search Engine Journal, is using 113 heading 3 tags. So that could be something that I should be focusing on. I don't have any H4s in my page, which kind of sucks. I should really look into it. H5 and H6 are not crossed over. That's because we are giving you the suggested range of 0 based on your competitors. So if your competitors have none of that and they're still ranking, that makes sense for you to not have these, because your competition doesn't have it either. Now, this is the SEO audit tool that that everybody was asking me for, to kind of get the basic on-page information and technical metrics that they need to improve the page. I wanted to go one step ahead. The one surprise that I told Muhammad not to share with you guys is this. Everybody's been waiting for it, the backlinks. Now, within the SEO audit, we called it SEO audit instead of on-page audit, is because SEO includes 2 things, on-page and off-page. I already gave you all the metrics that you need to follow for the on-page optimizations, and now it's time for me to give you the backlinks that your competitors are, for the pages that your competitors are ranking for. These are all the backlinks that you should really look into and get another backlink from, essentially. It is the first integration of our backlink explorer, and we put it into SEO Audit. A lot of people have been waiting for this, and this is the surprise on top of the surprise.
That's good. That's good. So, so that is coming from where? How did you get to that? I wasn't paying attention to how you went into the backlinks from there. Is there? Oh yeah, the backlink tracker. Is that the off page where I see there?
No. The backlink tracker only tracks the links that you have made. So these are these are like backlinks for your competitor pages.
Oh, on
so
the,
we are going. Yeah.
On the SEO audit report or the page.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. On the. This will show up at the end of your SEO page.
Right.
So, for example, if you want to rank for SEO tool for your website, I will go for SEO Search Engine Journal, Buffer, blog.hubspot.com, and SiteChecker.pro. I will get all of their backlinks and show it to you here. So these are the backlinks that they got to rank for that keyword. These are very, very specific backlinks that you need to focus on because your competitors are there and you should be there as well. I will also give an export button right here, so you can just click and export all these 2,700 backlinks and do whatever, like reach out to them, go comment, go make some links and get your rank up.
And this is within the report?
Yes, it is within the report.
Okay, and so you were talking about the ability. So let's I think I need to bring you on the camera for this one. And let's see if I can do that quickly. Select all. Are we all here? Where are you? Let me throw you on the corner. Yeah, today we're using a completely different tool. This guy needs to disappear. Okay.
My screen shows up as the third guy.
Yeah, your screen is showing up as the third guy. So let me add you to the left side, right side. Okay, now it's the two of us. Okay, good. We have the SEO audit with the backlinks on one page.
Yep.
That's amazing. And something that people didn't notice, I'm probably sure those who are logging in notice also, is that you've changed the UI completely. It looks
yes,
much more different than what we saw in the past, in the last when you launched the first time.
Yeah, we got a lot of feedback, and while working on Paddle and fixing other things,
right?
We managed to. It's not just the UI. We managed to hire a team, build a team, so we got a lot more resources and minds working on this one product,
right,
which is essentially what I wanted from the start. That's why we got enough time basically to work on the UI. We wanted to make it cleaner. We wanted people to have fun, like not go in. It shouldn't look too technical. Like some UIs are very text heavy and whatever. We wanted to have a very clean UI that just shows you all the data that you need to see.
Yeah.
The UI is completely remade. It is stretchable. I love this part about it. You can just click this little circle icon right here on the UI on the left sidebar, and the sidebar just goes away. And then you could focus completely on the data.
Yeah.
The UI is completely remade. We are really actually proud of it. The website got remade as well. And all credit goes to my team. They've been working really hard at it. We made everything from scratch. We pretty much threw out the old website, the code, everything. We just wanted to make everything from scratch.
Okay, yeah. Somebody was saying deal page is not. Yeah, I kind of gave them the comment that it's actually working on my end. I don't know what's happening. Is the deal page?
Weird.
Is it crashing? Because I know that we saw sales before we even came live here.
No, it works. I just opened the page.
Yeah.
Let me open the page again.
Working. It's working, guys.
Yeah, guys, it's working. Just click on it. Just click the link. Let me just see if it's the right link. brandoverflow.com/digital thing. Seems right.
Yeah. Let me try again. Yeah, it's coming up nice on my screen. I shared the link, guys. People may think it's Brand Overflow /digital thing. No, it's /deals. Oh, /deals /digital thing, right? I'm playing around with the application, no problem. Oh, excellent. Excellent. Tesh is playing with it. Nice, nice. So the on-page SEO, that makes it a complete SEO tool, I guess, right? Right now,
Yes,
people are saying,
we
oh,
have
you couldn't say that.
on-page
Have this
and off-page. That is complete SEO.
Yes, excellent, excellent. And another thing, and this is my favorite part, you told me about this. This was the other secret, is that within a week, you're releasing something special, especially for the SEO audit report.
Yes, a few amazing users from Digital Thing have been talking to me during this 45-day period, and they've been asking me to give them options for lead generation.
Right.
I want to share this with you guys right now. First of all, the SEO audit report is going to be shareable, number one.
So
And
the
you can
report
hide the
will be
backlinks
shareable.
while sharing it. Yeah.
The report will be shareable. So it means you can generate the link, send it to anybody, they can see it for themselves.
Yes, without logging in, without any of my branding.
Perfect. So that's big, big achievement. Excellent.
Yes. And the second part is a lead generation form. So basically, as an agency, you want to attract clients. You
Yep.
want to show them what you can do for them. So these shared reports are going to have a lead generation form on top where people can enter their email and name in case they want a consultation with you.
Right.
And that goes straight to your inbox.
Perfect. And that's going to come to you. Now, I know that we said we are going to have the C name, right? For C name and, am I right on that? Sub account and C name. How far are we?
Yeah.
How far are we into that?
We wanted to wait until the deal was over so that we can get all the Pro 1000 and above users
Right.
into one conversation so they can kind of share ideas. So right after we're done over here in December, I'm pretty sure in mid-December, we're going to start having that conversation. And on Digital Thing, we're going to start that conversation right here. So you guys are going to be the first to know on Digital Thing when we start the work on sub-accounts and teams.
Okay.
And CNAME as well, so you can have your own subdomain.
Yeah, comments are coming through. People are asking white label, can you confirm? Then schedule email reports. I think Brandon.
White label, I can confirm.
Okay, white label is coming. Excellent. Okay, excellent. And yeah, that's coming. Schedule email reports. I don't know what that means, but can you schedule, I think, a report to be emailed out to someone? I don't know. That's what Brandon.
Yes, that can be done. One thing I want to introduce right now, another new thing.
Right.
Let me see if I can get
Share the screen.
here. Let me see if I can get.
It says you're browsing as a guest.
I'm trying to find my link in Slack at the moment.
Okay.
Just a second.
Yeah, find it out. Find out.
So we built a new roadmap. Okay. And we added a voting functionality on it.
Yes.
I just want to show it to everybody so that they can see how we are kind of handling all the new features and ideas that we're getting from people.
Okay. Did you want to share? I can.
Yeah. Just give me a second. I'm looking for the link.
It just says you're browsing as a guest. That's all I see.
Perfect. Oh, that's because I'm looking on Slack on the other window.
Okay. Schedule email reports. Yes. 40. Let's go. Those sub accounts. Q4. Excellent. Yeah. Daniel, that's coming. That's coming. That's coming for sure. So let's see how this is going to happen. Of course, I knew that when we, talk to developers and interview them, and we think that they're worth coming to Digital Think, we know they are capable, and that with proper, feedback, they can give us all the good things we're all looking for. Are you ready with your screen sharing?
Yeah, can you see it?
I can share now. Okay, let's go there. That's it. Yeah.
All right. Can you share? Let me see if I can share this link on chat.
Yeah, put it on. Let them see for themselves.
I'm gonna write a comment here. Okay. So guys, this is the roadmap. This is the new roadmap. We brought all the ideas here. You can see this over here, on-page SEO feature. It's got 14 votes. So from now on, we want you guys to vote on which features you want done next. We want to do everything. Don't get me wrong. I'm gonna do everything that comes into digital marketing, all-in-one SEO platform domain. But we want you guys to vote what comes first. So for example, this super secret feature was the backlink explorer, which is done now. And we got 38 votes on it. So we thought, yeah, let's release it. So I've shared the link with you guys. Just go there. If you see your idea here, click the upvote button right here, just like that. Vote add.
Vote, yeah.
If you have an idea, just click add an idea and just write down your idea, and we're gonna put it into a voting pool. Because there's so many ideas coming in. Every day we get at least 20 emails with different ideas or chats with different ideas, and we want to, and everybody has a point. They have a problem that they want to solve with us, and we want to include that into our roadmap.
Excellent, excellent, excellent. So yeah, I can see that. So the next one was so we said the lead generation is going to come in about a week, which is to help you guys share your audit report for any business out there. So did we talk about the limitations on these things? Is there limits to how many reports you can generate in a month?
Yeah, there are. Let me.
Can we look at the deal?
Just
just to see so people have an idea. The lead and the deal and the pricing page. Yeah.
Okay. Let me just open here. You can see over here, track keywords, track backlinks, keyword tool, SEO audit. This is like very basic limitation right now.
Right.
The free account gets 1, 50 gets 5, 100 gets 10 per month. You can generate that many page SEO audit reports per month. And once a report is generated, you can refresh it unlimited times.
Perfect. So no, it doesn't count against you. Okay.
Yep.
So a report is only done when a specific domain's report is run, right? That's it.
One URL. Let me show you here.
Yes.
Like this is a query. This URL for this keyword. So this will be one report. And you can, I'll give a refresh button right here so you can refresh your page and the entire report unlimited times. So that doesn't count as one more report.
Excellent.
So you can see yourself improving.
Yeah. So in terms of the deal, if you switch back to the deal, I just want to remind people that the split payments are available for, do you want to show the split payment ones? The ones that have split payments?
Okay, here. These are the ones highlighted in blue.
Exactly.
You can see here, installments available.
Yeah. So from $299, which is very, very generous, because most dealers that we've been running don't want to do any split payment on anything less than $300. So with the digital thing coupon, you're actually going to get also 20% of all the prices listed here. That's right? 20%.
Yes.
Yes, 20%, which is actually going away in 4 days. Okay, after 4 days, you will not be able to spend. You're not going to be able to get that 20% off. So the deal that's right now, and in 4 days, that's about 96 hours. That coupon and digital thing will disappear completely from there, and we will not. You will not be able to get that price again. Okay. And yes, the deal will still be there for some time after these 4 days, but the pricing will not be the same. And I don't know if the split payment is going to be there. Did you confirm that too? After the deal ends, somebody loses that 20%. Yeah.
The 20% is going to be gone. The 20% is because you guys supported me so much, like the group and the feedback and everything. I wanted to come back and make sure everybody gets a chance again to be a part of this.
Okay, so can
So
you go back to the price one more time? I wanted to show you something.
okay,
Uh,
there you go.
yes. Can I? Yeah. So if you look at people who are saying, and this is very interesting, the 15K is overpriced, right? That's what somebody's saying. So they want to buy the 10K. No, sorry, 5K, the 5,000 ones, two of them, and merge them. So technically, this person says, I don't know why they'll do that, because 5,000 and 5,000 would be 10,000. So that's $2,000. But isn't it the same? Why would they do that? That's just doubling the. Yeah.
Stacking is not possible actually. We are keeping one package per account.
Okay.
So you cannot merge these accounts. You can have separate accounts, as many as you want. We have no limits on that. You can create 10 emails and 10 accounts and then just buy one deal on each. And that's going to work fine, but you cannot merge them. Because later on, we're going to be releasing a lot of things to these packages.
Daniel, make me understand this, because I think what he's trying to say is that if somebody wants to buy two 10Ks, right, which is 20,000, they'll pay only $4,000. But if they want to do 15,000, they have to pay about 5,000. So the numbers don't make sense in that case. That's
yes. Okay. See, up to 5,000, you can buy as many accounts as you want. But you see, there's a little star here. The Pro 10,000 has a little star here.
Yes.
That's because these deals, these packages are limited. They are very limited. Like you remember, we kept 10 of each available. So there are only 10 available. After these are gone, we're not going to sell any more of them. So at the moment, we have around 6 10,000 Pro 10,000 left, and around 7 15,000 left.
Okay.
So once they are gone, these will be gone. Like I will not be selling this later on as well. Yeah,
they're really expensive.
That's why there's a price. That's why there's a premium on the price, because I'm keeping the entire business and financial situation in control so that I can have some longevity.
Yeah. So we said the ability to upgrade within 1 year. We did that. And that's
9 months. 9 months.
Sorry, 9 months. Within 9 months, we say that. Yeah. He wanted to know that somebody's asking period for the till September next year. Yes. So within 9 months. Within 9 months, guys. I want to buy 2.5K. So okay, 2.5K. He wants to do 2.5K. And do you have an accommodation for somebody to do that? So I can.
Oh, I didn't get the question. Can you?
Yeah, somebody wants to buy 2,500. No.
No, I'm sorry. Because these packages are very
25K, not 25K. So.
Oh, he wants to buy Pro 25K.
Yeah. So you have Pro 15,000. He has, but this person wants. Look. Okay, I don't know if you can see the numbers. If somebody is to buy 2 agency licenses for the Pro 10,000, they end up paying $4,000. Does that make sense? For 20,000. But if they want to only get 15,000, it's going to cost them 4,795, right? And so what they're saying is, it makes no sense mathematically to buy 15,000 when someone can buy 2 Pros and still get 20,000 and pay only $2,000 that time.
I know. Okay. The reason behind that is this is the one package on 15,000 where we are going to release enterprise features later on. That is why there is a higher price point for this. We have many plans starting from 15,000 going all the way up to 50,000.
Okay, that answers.
We don't have those features locked yet. That's why we don't want to say anything yet. But anybody who buys the 15,000 package is going to get some very, very cool enterprise features.
Okay, that makes sense. All right, so that answers the question. But if somebody buys, let's say, Pro 5,000, can they
Yeah.
upgrade within a year? They can upgrade to Pro 10,000, right?
Only if there are some available. But I think, they can.
Yeah. So those are limited. The ones with the stars. So hopefully you don't get to miss them, right? If somebody doesn't upgrade before you, then yeah, we definitely have that. Again, go back one more time. I have another question here. There's
Sure.
another question here, and the question is, yeah, it was definitely a good question. At what price point does the white label start?
At $299. At
299.
Pro 1000, you get white label. Me and Muhammad fought me for this. That Pro 1000, you need to give my users white label and all the good features
Right.
at Pro 1000. So we are going to give you that. You get installments, you get updates, and you get white label at $299. Starting there.
Perfect, perfect. So I'm sorry I'm late to live. Can you show the demo for SERP white label? You can watch the video. Don't worry, man. We'll keep the recording.
Okay.
We also have a backup recording just in case Facebook acts up because I have YouTube as well. I have this on YouTube. Every time I do a live, I always have a backup. I always did that since the beginning. And when does the white label come? We're looking when? Around December, we see?
Right when we have, right when we are about to start the teams and the sub accounts, we will be doing white label at the same time. But what we're doing right now is removing our branding from shared reports. That's one thing that we have done already. Let me see if I can get a URL for you so I can give you a kind of demo. All right, so this is the rank tracker report now. Can you see it?
Yes.
See, none of my branding on the top, no chat on the right. This is a very sample project. It only serves for me to test stuff on. So this is a clean report where on top of this would go your branding, like MuhammadAli.com.
Yes. Your own branding.
And yeah. And you can add other information for your client over here on the top as well. So we have already begun the white labeling process in our code. So no more chat. You won't see our chat here because a lot of people complained on it. And none of my branding. And later on, what you could be able to do is something like instead of app.brandoverflow, you would do SEO.pages.io, just like that. This is what's coming.
Right. Okay, so Nefer is asking another question. He wants to see from the pricing page how many sub accounts are included. A lot of people seem to have forgotten. Yeah, and there are a lot of new people. So I think we have to go through the plan very well and explain it.
I think I didn't mention it on the table here. Oh yeah, in my notes I see that the limitation on sub accounts in every was supposed to be here. Installment for the refund policy.
The sub accounts, right there.
Data's not here. Oh, I forgot to put it in the template.
Okay.
My bad, guys. I'm really sorry about it.
So the old page should have that, right?
Yeah, the old page had it.
Okay.
The old page that we used to have. Let me see if I can find it in my code and share with you guys on chat.
Totally. And of course, keep this page live forever. Don't hide it.
Yes.
This is track things later on. Okay, so guys, I'm pretty sure we have that page. I can double check for you.
If anybody has a screenshot of my previous page, you can share it. I don't mind it. But let me see sub accounts.
Yeah, ask any questions. Any other question you guys have? Let's see if there's any questions you have. Okay. Alrighty, I can check that.
Okay. Okay. I do have the numbers. It's, how do I show it? Should I just
Okay,
paste it in the chat?
and hold on. So the sub accounts, it started from Pro 1000, guys,
Yes.
and
Yes.
it was 5 sub accounts for the Pro 1000. Then you have Pro 5000 had 10 sub accounts, Pro
Yes.
10,000
Exactly.
20 sub accounts, and Pro 15,000 had
15.
50 sub accounts, which created the reason for the difference in terms of also the pricing. I remember that. It was because of
Yeah. The 15,000, Pro 15,000 is a different thing altogether. It has a lot more power behind it.
okay, excellent, excellent. So yeah, so 5,000, 10,000, 20,000. Sorry, 5, 10, 20, 50. These are the number of sub accounts. And it all starts from Pro 1000, where we have the payment plan starting from. So it's 5, 10, 20. So basically doubling in the first three. And then it jumps to 50 because of the 15,000 plan, right? So that's, I think,
Yep.
straightforward. We can definitely, how do you find initial backlinks that we have so that we can put in the tracker? That's a good question.
How do you find initial backlinks?
Yes, that we have,
Okay.
that we can put
Yeah. Oh,
the tracker.
that is a great idea. Who gave that? How do
From
you,
Daniel.
Daniel?
Yeah.
I love you, man. I love you.
Yes.
Uh, that is a great idea. I didn't think of it, but you know what? I'm gonna add a little feature in Backlink Tracker where you enter a URL and I show you all the links that you currently have for it. So you can immediately start the Backlink Tracker for all the backlinks that you have. That's a great idea, man. You should add it to the roadmap.
There
You
we
should
go.
get credit for this.
Yeah, Daniel got that. Okay, excellent. So add that to the roadmap and definitely make sure you get the votes for it. But it looks like it's gonna be done since he.
Yeah. I love that
Ahmed
idea,
likes.
man. It's
Ahmed likes.
easy.
Yeah, it's very easy. Okay, so Nainil is asking this question. That's a cool name you have, man. Nainil Chira. Is that Chera? Chera, yeah? Because there's double H there. Can we find content ideas? He's asking.
Content
Now,
ideas.
now we're headed more towards phrase, I guess. Right?
Okay, guys, I love giving surprises, but this is something I'm not gonna share right now.
Okay.
I love having some secrets. I love being serious.
All right. I'm, I'm going to leave it there because I honestly didn't know that backlinks was there until like an hour or two ago. That's like, you never talk about it. I saw the report and everything and it didn't show up. So that's good. So can't get into the roadmap. Just signed up. Yep. Daniel said that. He can't get into the roadmap. Is there a way to get in?
Let me share the Facebook. Let me share the link on Facebook again. It's a public roadmap. Anybody can open it.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, just share it there. That would be great to check out plugins or clocked affiliate things as well. Good SEO. So Brandon is talking about that. He's saying it will be great to check out plugins or so he's talking about content ideas, I guess, right? With that point.
Yeah, the content ideas are coming as well. We want to make something actually useful. So phrase and everything. First, what we do is like there's so many tools coming out. There's phrase. You can get content ideas from Ubersuggest, Copysmith. There are so many tools. But what we do is actually get practical use out of it. First, we buy the tool. We try to use it. We try to get one thing done and see how useful it was. If it's actually useful but lacks a few things, we recreate it in our own way so that we get the best data possible.
Great.
We don't just, we can't just copy something. We actually have to use it. We have to understand the usefulness, the value behind it. Then we start recreating and doing the math and all that. I've shared the link on a Facebook comment for you, Daniel, so you can just click it and it will open.
Excellent. This is good. So, great, guys. You can see the deal. It's live. The 20% will only last for 4 days. Just so you know, This is not FOMO. This is the promise we made that the deal will come back
Yes.
to be finished with the same pricing, with the same conditions, right? But much more improved. Even the landing page and everything looks more beautiful now. And the the affiliate system, everything looks amazing. So the 4 days, the deal will expire, and of course, then we can call it a day. But just during this time, you can see how much has been done on page SEO. This was the question that I had. I actually want to come. Let me just do this quickly. 1 second, and there we go. Where was I? You're there. I see you there. Okay, and bring you here. So. So guys, you remember I made a post in the group asking about how many of you guys want to pay for Surfer. Was it Surfer SEO? Surfer SEO.
Yep.
And a lot of you guys were like, yeah, that would be a good deal. Let's get it. Let's do it. So the good news is many of you guys who got the deal, a lot of you guys got the deal already, don't have to pay for Surfer SEO. So there's no upgrade for you to make an additional payment to get this deal, right? And so
Yeah, it's for everyone.
It's for everyone. You're getting it. Those of you who wanted to pay for server SEO, now you have an all-in-one SEO tool that does backlinks, keyword tracking, the domain insights. In addition to all the beautiful things it does, then all the reports and all that stuff. So it's a complete tool at this point where this is headed. Completely different
Yes.
UI. The UI looks a lot better than it was last time. And they're taking feedback. Ahmed and his team, now much bigger team. I know that you have now a team, right?
Yeah.
And because things are going better than they were last time.
Yeah, they're growing really fast.
Right.
I went from 2 people to 4 people immediately, and got the best people possible.
Perfect.
And we're still gonna hire 4 more.
Okay, and you guys can see that. So the upfront investment that we are making in terms of these LTDs are making a difference, improving the tool. You can see how it's now, the investment is already looking good. For those of you guys who are like, it's a baby tool, it's coming there. Of course, when I got it on Stack Social at the beginning, completely different than today, right? And then we had a deal, and it's right here. And so another question is, what are the limits on each sub account? And that's a good question. It's gonna share the total stuff within the sub accounts, right? The limits on each sub account.
Yeah, there were many confusions about this. Like, we can do it either way. That's why we want to have the conversation with everyone first. Like, maybe I can give you option to give every sub account their own limits.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so let's say if you have 10,000 keywords to assign, you can definitely divide equally, or you can just give each sub account specific number of keywords. That's what we say.
Yep.
So if you need data entry help to speed up sub, I'll be over in the morning. Yeah, Daniel wants to do that. Okay, we should be able to set limits on each account. That's what they want. They wanna what every sub account can be assigned. I think that's what Publi has done.
Yeah,
Publi
that is definitely possible, and a huge possibility that we will go that way.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, I think that answers the question. So in terms of the limits, it's whatever keywords. If you get pro 10,000, that's what it means. That's your whole. You're restricted by that. But what you assign within each sub, then that's up to you. I think that's the better option. I think that's the better option. And again, we'll have that conversation, right? As we go ahead.
Yeah.
Yep. Any other questions, guys? So will make sense if we have controls. Yes. Benji's saying that. So that's good. Yeah. Guys, the deal again is only alive for only 4 days. And when we launch a deal, we do not create FOMO. Day 1, day 2, day 3, and then it's gone. And then people are missing, and then they're getting upset. No, this deal has been there for almost 2 weeks, and and then because of the PayPal interrupted the system, it wasn't easy to handle things. It was really stressful.
Yeah.
Very, very stressful. And
very stressful.
Pause the deal. We said, look, let's stop it, go back, let's fix. So you built your own now affiliate system, right, from scratch, using Paddle. It's all now. Paddle is gonna take care of all the. Uh, and I saw them; they made a lot of money now. They got $68 million funding. Right? Paddle.
Yeah, they're growing really, really,
Big, I can see.
really fast.
Yeah. So yeah. So definitely, guys, the the transactions will be a lot smoother than last time when we used the other software. So I think it's gonna be really good to handle everything this time round. Everything will be smooth. The split payments are there for you. We didn't take that away. Brought it back, but everything will be gone in only 4 days, right? I'll try to
Yeah.
more times with Ahmed here for the next 4 days to try to talk about. Are we having any more surprises? Did we give away all the secrets?
Maybe something else is coming along.
Maybe
You
something.
never know. There's still more days, and I
Okay.
love surprises.
Yes. Oh, and Ryan Barilla, the deal is actually on the link here, and I think yeah, it's also on the video somewhere on the comment section. We have the deal link there, but it's brandoverflow.com/deals/digital think. The coupon is there for you to copy and just paste it there. So let me show you how this looks like. Um, let me see here on the side. Is that the way it works? Yeah, we're here. Yeah, that's how it looks like right now. It's oh, I thought that was the deal. Maybe went to the wrong one. Yeah, I think I went to the wrong one. Yeah, so the deal. Do you have the deal? Do you want to put the deal link on the screen? I keep forgetting.
Thank you, Venjay, for sharing the deal link in the comments.
New overview, newcomer, new overlay. How do you do this? Those I forgot how to do this, but the way I could literally add text to the system. Okay.
Daniel, I'm gonna look into it right now, but thank you for letting me know.
Yes. So the deal. Okay, the deal page is. I'm just gonna type this. Brand. 1 second. brandoverflow.com.
Thank you, Daniel, for sharing the link again.
Oh, you did. That's good. Excellent.
Yeah, you should. It was shared twice.
Nice. Okay. How about I put it here on our chest?
Yeah, that's better.
Right? I hope you guys can see that. It's such a big. I don't know if they can see that. Can they see this?
I can see it.
Yeah.
So I think so.
You can see it. It means then everybody should be able to see that. Yeah, I don't know how sometimes these things how they work, right? Oh yeah, so everybody can see it. I'm pretty sure they can see that. So that's the deal thing, guys. It's brandoverflow.com/deals/digital think, and the discount coupon will be on the page. There is payment plans for the anything from $300. How many split payments? Is it three or two?
It's two.
It's two. Okay, 60 days. Excellent. 60 days. So yeah, so they pay today and then they pay one more time or two more times.
Yep. No, if they pay today, they pay half today and half on the next.
So it's 60 days. Yes, half an hour. Okay, perfect. Excellent. Any other question? Let me see. Yeah, somebody shared. Just FYI, site scripting, you have to reload page to move it around. Can you double check that?
Yeah, I'm gonna double check that right after this live stream. Thanks, Daniel, for letting me know.
Yeah, it's saying a web page is slowing down your browser. Yeah,
I think it's the countdown. I really think it's the countdown that is taking up a little bit of memory.
It's taking some memory. Okay.
Yeah, I'm just gonna update it. Don't worry.
Yeah, it keeps sending some. Okay, perfect. Any other questions, guys? Yeah, Ryan, you have the deal right there. Brandoverflow.com /deals /digital thing. Yeah, for those of you who missed, the SEO audit report is ready. It has also the backlinks, what we say. The backlink
Backlink.
report with
Backlinks are now in Brand Overflow. That is the highlight. SEO audit and backlinks. You guys got what you wanted.
those two are things people have been asking for, and both of them are there. Backlinks, audit, tracking, all that stuff. It's complete, all in one SEO tool. Anyone who can say anything missing? Because we can ask him to add that, right? It's just a matter
Yeah.
of handling the deal, right? Yeah, so it looks like it's working fine. I'm glad, because this is what happens. Okay, I go and talk to a developer like Ahmed, and we ask them, hey, we need a deal on what you have. But sometimes my biggest worry is that they get stagnated there. They're stopping there. They're not developing the deal. I mean the product. They're not making it better. They're not improving it. And people come back to you a few months down the road and say, "Oh, that deal wasn't good," and that bothers me, because when you bring a deal, we want to make sure that it's forward going. It's whatever investment they get, they use the money to improve the deal, to take care, to get more team, and build a business around it, of course. But some of them sometimes don't do that. So Ahmed is one good example. Of course, most of our developers do that. The only complaint I see with some of us here is that lead card broke down while doing an update. Of course, sometimes things like that happen, and it's not good. But what we know is that it's not going to happen again. But at least they're doing updates. At least,
Yep.
look at Publi. Publi was a few months back. It was just some small software, and now it's like giant, crazy one. And look at Ahmed. Uh, Only was it 30 days ago, we didn't have any of these things today. So the UI looks completely different, much more beautiful, clean. The SEO audit report, which is SEO Surfer, an alternative to an entire product, right? It's part of
Yep.
the deal now. It's part of the product. And then we have backlink. I think that's going to make backlink SEO really upset. Yeah, and now backlink is included. Sorry, guys, the refund period is over. But at this point, Abdul would have had to refund everyone, because we already have what he does within this product also. But yes, guys. So time frame on better keyword site results. So RF like and question results. That's the question. So is there a time frame on better keyword
Um, it
RF
is.
and question
If you
results?
can, if you can put that on the roadmap and get some votes, I'll speed it up.
So Daniel, you're the roadmap guy, okay? Yes, I got that.
You want something? Get me the votes, man. Get me the votes.
Yes, the page is freezing. Yeah, that will be fixed. That'll be fixed. Don't worry. Um, yes, must have, of course. Yeah, yeah. So Daniel, you're the roadmap guy. Make sure it's filled up. Get the votes, and we can definitely handle that. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, this is great. And guys, it's coming to we have had an hour, and if there are more questions, we're here to answer them. But
Yeah.
today's big surprise, which I kind of revealed yesterday in any way, was the SEO audit report and backlinks included in the product itself. In the When we launched the deal, those features are not there at all. So 30 days passed, you got two amazing features released within 30 days. It shows the ability of the developer, to be trusted with development and bringing, good things. So Ahmed, thank you so much for that amazing, uh, addition to the tool. It's just unbelievable.
You're
Yeah.
most welcome. You're most welcome.
Any other questions? Let me see. I only see now must have. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, for those of you guys who already have the deal, you don't have to pay more to get these features. Okay. Nobody's asking you to upgrade in order to get your software SEO LTD included in the package. Nobody's asking you to upgrade in order to pay for, um, backlinks. It's all there, right? Yeah. So I'm pretty sure these are the questions. So Daniel is saying more in-depth keyword and question research with data. Brand Overflow search results 5 hours, 16,000 keywords. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure you need to probably on that on the
Yep.
good. So I think he did. He already posted that. He did post all that on your roadmap. So that's good.
That's good. That's great.
Yeah, feedback, guys. A lot of
Feedback is what makes a good
yeah,
tool.
feedback is important. Developers, I work with developers here, and I always tell people, if you see in my office somewhere in that corner, I always have developers sitting there. Yes, I have a developer who sits there. One thing that they know is that if you show them what to do, they can get it. But sometimes,
Yeah.
you know why? They'll do something, and you'll be asking yourself, how the heck did you even forget about this? Yeah, because the way you think is different. They think about the code and programming, right? And whereas with us, we know exactly what we want. Entrepreneurs and business people want this, but developers, they think completely different. So when you have the entrepreneurs and the developers working together, you always get the best results for everything. Good.
Yeah. It's thanks to the feedback you guys shared is why we got this far. And I want to thank everyone watching this video right now for
Yep.
taking the time to share your feedback with me. I mean, there is no way that I could get this far without you guys. Thank you.
Thank you. Excellent. Excellent. Yeah. So thank you. And Alston is there. Thank you so much for your time. I'm pretty sure you have been very supportive, made tutorials. The only thing, unfortunately, at this point is that he made your video tutorial that you did last time completely useless. Do it again. But the main features
That's,
that will make
yeah.
people to click that link is all these new additions, right? That were not there last time.
Yeah.
Impress more people. I think you have to go back and make this happen, right? That's
Yeah.
important. Yeah, this is great. And I think I don't see any more questions. And thank you so much, Benji.
Thank you. Thank you.
That's excellent. And yeah, if there are no more questions, guys, the deal is live. It's gonna be live for 4 days, right? Yeah, that's true.
Yep.
You gotta do it again. You gotta do it again.
And we're going to be back on live stream soon as well.
Yes, we're gonna be back. Yeah, so we'll do live if possible every single day going forward for the next 4 days to make sure people are aware of the deal. They understand the value that now what you have it's not easy. And last time, a lot of you guys, got just 1,000, but now you can see the possibility having white label, custom domain, team account, sub account,
Lead generation. Best thing.
tool. Of course, that's powerful. Where you can get a report, make for a specific company, send it to them, and here is your issues, and do you want us to work with you? And then they can fill, the form and send that back to you, and you can do a lot of things with that, right?
Daniel, more surprises are going to be released with Muhammad on this live stream.
Yes.
You better note the date. Whenever you see Muhammad Ali coming on live, you better tune in.
Exactly. So guys, another thing before we leave is that I have been working on building an alternative platform. Well, not alternative, but a backup platform just in case things don't work on Facebook. Of course, Facebook is our main space. Is if you are not a member of this group, you're going to miss on a lot of things. Go to
Yep.
our website, members.digitalthing.io, and make sure to download the app and have this information right there. And that app there. Anytime a deal comes, anything good comes, we share first in that place. So, which is why you want to be, which software do you use take videos? Oh, which one are we using to take the videos? This is a good question. Right now, we're using, every time we use something different. Last time we were using Restream. Today, we're using Ecom Live, which is a desktop Mac only software. Unfortunately, I don't think they have one for Windows yet. But it's a very good tool. Sometimes I like playing with them. But yes, don't forget to go on this because everybody's there already. Everybody's joining, and it's getting really big there. Uh, Almost 1,000 members joined in a month of weeks, maybe a week, maybe about a week, right? Which is good.
Yeah.
The thing is, you get a place to talk to everyone. You can chat with everyone, so you can build your own biography, profile there. People click on it, they know more about you, your business. You put your own, things.
Kind of looks like
Yes,
this.
there we go. It's like a chat. You see a digital thing? That's there we go. You guys can see it very well. And inside there, if somebody wants to ask question, you can buy, sell things. Do you want to go to the courses? I want to show them something that's coming up today. Go to the courses on the
Let me
site.
see if I can find it.
Click on the site on the courses. It's good you have it. I don't even know how
Yeah, there are courses right here. Looks like we have no course.
So right now, oh yeah, it's hidden from you. I'll make it available. There's a course coming up that will be free in the next few hours. I already recorded the first video, and that course, stay tuned because I'm gonna be back here live, Neeraj again, back to back, right? With Neeraj in about 1.5 hours. In about 1.5 hours, probably will be live, definitely, and it's completely gonna be a different story right there. Just, and if you want to know what happened with the negotiations I had with him, go join members.digitalthing.io and go find out because I'm not gonna reveal that until we go live. Otherwise, you can only find it in this group, right? And oh yeah, Ecom Live, that's right. I think it's Restream. Oh no, Restream was there. Restream was gonna use it, but not today, not today. But yeah, how do you like this software? You like it? What do you think compared to Restream, Ahmed?
I think it's pretty good. The video quality is good. The comments look really good.
Yeah,
I'm considering it. Yeah.
yeah, this is good. Yeah, I like it. It's the only thing is it's no longer on LTD. Guess what? I got it on LTD.
How long ago?
Oh, this is like it has been on lifetime deal for 2 years, and they only went, I think, on recording like a month or two. No, like in 2019 or in 2020, one of them, late 2019. But I have it on lifetime deal. So the reason why I buy these deals is because I see the value. You get the value after without having without okay. Question Explorer freed from keyword tracking yet? That's another question. He's asking.
I think that update is being rolled out tonight. That one that frees it from the project.
Okay, perfect. It frees it from the project. That's a good question, Daniel. Daniel knows his stuff. I need anytime I need to talk about SEO, I need to talk to him because SEO is not. Yeah, and yeah, guys. So make sure to join Digital Think, the membership area. Download the app, and if you miss me, if you can't find me on Facebook because somebody reported me, you can always find me. I have connected it now. It's so real time now. You know what happens? And anytime it comes here, it just peeps, goes boom, and I can just talk to you like I'm on Messenger. Yeah, excellent. So things are good. I think we'll end it there. It's coming to the hour. It's a good launch, and hope in the next 4 days you guys can take advantage of the tool because you're not gonna get that 20% off deal anywhere else on the planet. It's gone. It's gone. Our agreement is that our deal will always be the best, right? If they ever
Definitely.
down the road, we will always have the best deal. So take advantage.
You're never gonna get a good price, a better price than you are getting right now for the next 5 days.
Excellent, and that's why I want you guys to go and do that. So thank you so much. I appreciate your time. I appreciate the effort. Another one question. Kevin is throwing a question before we even end it. Okay, will the lead gen tool allow users to include an attachment? Use case would be to bundle web signals report. That's a good feature into the SEO audit report and package them as one size. So
good idea. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, you could.
I got WebSignal as well. It's a really good tool. I've been using it. It's Pretty nice.
Yes, Web Signal is a good tool. Yes, excellent. Yeah, so Web Signals too, guys. It's an amazing tool. So build a nice agency and make money, guys, because this is how you build,
Yes.
right? Grab the tools. Somebody's paying monthly for this tool I'm using live, and others, and I'm using it for free. So uh, definitely, this is good. What about YouTube tracking? I have that.
Uh, yeah, I think I just got an email confirmation that somebody added it to the roadmap. Let's get it to a vote.
Yes. So, guys, the roadmap need to be filled so that the team, who are now more than before, they've doubled in numbers, thanks to the initial investment we made into the platform, and we doubled the numbers so of the team. So that means we can now see more faster development there. Ranking of YouTube videos on both YouTube and Google search platform. That's another question. What does that mean?
If we get enough votes, it can definitely be doable. Yeah.
Okay, good. Speaking of which, I don't know how many of you guys would be interested in a deal with TubeBuddy, which I might have something on that. I don't know. Do you know what TubeBuddy does? It's just for keyword ranking and stuff like that for YouTube. It helps with steps on that. So I might have a deal for TubeBuddy. I'm talking to them. But if I bring that deal, I'm not, I'm just going to give it to the people who are members of Digital Think, this website. And it will not be, there's no commission, nothing for us. It's just going to be for the members, and it will be private message to everyone who's a member of the members.digitalthing.io. The reason I want to do this is I want to thank and reward people for their support, because when I get kicked out of Facebook, it's hard to come back sometimes. So I still want to be in touch with the community. And so they came with me, and they're being very supportive, and we're there together, right? Yes, TubeBuddy, lifetime plan. I actually have something for it. So let's talk. Let's talk. If people are interested, I have connection with them. There's probably going to be a Black Friday deal that's not available to the public. If that's going to be available, I will only be able to give to the members of our community, members.digitalthing.io, not even in the group. So because build the group, right? To build the community. Okay. So let's definitely I remember stacking it back in the day. I probably have 10 different accounts. And so let's do that. Yeah, that's the plan. Yeah, make sure to share the link for the deal. Make sure to support, Ahmed and team, and make sure to go to the website. It's Brand Overflow Brand Overflow /deals/digital thing. The coupon code 20% digital thing, and there's split payments even for the higher plans. And so let's kick things out. Okay, I think there are no more questions here left, and I will see you guys in about 1.5 hours with Neeraj. And
I'll see you guys soon.
and with Neeraj, we have a good news. That good news is a lot of you guys were complaining. Man, I made him cry today, so we'll share that information with you guys very soon. So I'll talk to you. Thank you guys, and thank you, Ahmed, for coming. I really appreciate it.
No problem.
Okay.
Thanks, everyone.
All right. Thank you, brother. Bye.